today we're going to be making a homemade ice cream. This is better than store-bought ice cream. It's also quite good as you don't need an ice cream maker to make it. It's very quick and easy to make, and we're going to start with our heavy cream. Just make sure your heavy cream has been chilled overnight. You want it quite cold. And so we mix. Okay, so now you see it's quite thick. It's amazing. So we're gonna put in our condensed milk, and this is 385 grams of condensed milk going into our heavy cream whipped to soft peaks. So condensed milk mixed in, we're going to proceed to add our cocoa powder. Now I'm going to put in 2/3 of a cup of cocoa powder. If you do want it to have a richer taste, all you need to do is just add more cocoa powder. But I'm going to put in 2/3 of a cup and sieve it right in. Mix it in using a spatula because you don't want cocoa powder all over your kitchen. So this is the fun part where we put it into our trusty container. So I've got some shaved chocolate, which we're just gonna drizzle on top of our chocolate ice cream, just for that extra Häagen-Dazs chocolate effect. Now this is going to be chilled for 7 hours in the freezer, and we'll see you later.